Welcome back in this sessions. If you remember guys, in the last sessions, I have clearly explained you about our pro- project, what we are doing right now, okay? Then I have explained you next what we have to do. So as per user point of view, user interface, okay, like user point of view, I have explained you the design, how we have to do. This will work in the almost all kind of software guys, okay? In if all kind of software this will work only this way it will happen guys, okay? So the design mostly all kind of software will be the same. You can check any software guys, okay? There will be the same, like same dashboard, all the menu will be here, then brand name, then top search bar, navbar, this is called side navbar, this is called top navbar, this is called your content. This is the dashboard, country, everything guys, okay? Then once you click on the add button, then mm, then these things will be happen guys, forms will be open and everything will be open guys, happen guys, okay? So this design, there is many tools guys, they all are used, people will use for that design purpose. There is like figma, yeah, other things. There is a separate team for doing the design for this, like for front end design guys, okay? Like html design, there will be a separate team for that. That team is called ui ux design guys, okay? So they can use some tools and they can use their intelligence and they can design the all the layout, okay? So let's assume this is our layout for our software. In here, whatever the project we are going to discuss, mostly we'll use the same design guys, okay? Because in our all the project will be the same design only. So let's see, this is the design here, okay? Remember it guys, okay? Now for this design we will convert into the html page guys, okay? So let me just explain you. First I want this top name bar, there will like a brand name, the company name, this is side name bar, okay? All the menu guys, okay? Menu will become here, menu, sub menu, okay? Then the content here, okay? So actually I have just designed this html for you guys to show. So let's move into that guys, okay? So let's open that browser, mozilla firefox, okay guys? So this is the our design. Did you understand guys? This is called top navbar, okay? This is called side navbar, okay? There will be the dashboard, okay? Dashboard, then there will be like menu 1, menu 2, menu 3, menu 4, okay? Okay guys, so this is the content in the dashboard guys, okay? Here will be the content. So here will be the count, like country table, total number of country will come here. Like then it will come like a state table, total number of state, then total number of universities, qualification, total number of a student will display here. Then if need some data we can display here also guys, okay? So this is the like designs. So that's what we have to do here. So if you compare guys, this design here, uh, this, if you compare this one guys, if you compare our this one what I explained you in the last sessions, this one, then you will find the same things guys, okay? Nothing different you will find here. Did you understand guys? This is called our top navbar, this side. This is our top navbar guys, okay? Now this is called side navbar. Can you see? This is called side navbar guys, okay? Here. And this is called your brand name, like your company name, basic to top here, okay? You can just put our YouTube channel name guys, okay? Then here this will become like dashboard. So this is called dashboard here, okay? W1 dashboard page, okay? Once they log in, first time they can come into our dashboard page, okay? Then they have the, this is like name, right? Ram here. So this will come menu 1, menu 2, menu 3, like country, state, city, then qualification, gender, all that will come here guys, okay? In this slide, this is just, we will remove these things guys, okay? These things we don't need here right now, later we need, we can use. So this is our template. Can you see here? Now this is also mobile responsive guys, okay? Let's see, your mobile screen will be the small guys, okay? Let's see about this one. So see, automatically design is also changing here. Can you see here guys? Now that all the menu is went into this side here, you can see all the menu here. So this is called design, what we are doing here. Even you don't worry about if there is no mobile finally, that we don't have to care right now. Just you can think how you can design, just learn these things guys, okay? Whatever I'm explaining you. So this one done. Okay guys, till now any problem, just let me know. This data is just a dummy data guys, okay, pseudo data. Okay, so don't worry about this one. This all the data should come from our backend. Till now it's okay guys, did you understand? Let me know the design and everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let's move further now. Let's run our Django project. Okay, we are working on currently a student management system, guys. Okay, our project name is this one. Okay, ed no run it python minus.py run server, guys. Okay, this is our project system. Okay, it's like a student management system. Now run at this port number. If you remember last time, guys, if you commit here, like there's home page, but default page, guys, here. Okay, default page, this one is coming. Did you understand now? Now I want our default page, this should become, guys. Okay, this is the default page, the home page, guys. Okay, understand guys, this one should come as the home page. So what I will do, I have this code here already in the HTML file. Commit here in, this is our VS code, guys. Just now I have opened that project also here. Now this is our index.html, guys. Okay, this is our code. Don't worry about this code, you guys no need to worry. I will separate this code, guys. Okay, so today task is just we will work in inside the front end part, guys. Okay, back end already we knows, right? Actually I have explained you something in the back end. Something means, guys, like at least forms, how you can create the data in these things I have explained you. Remaining things we will work further, guys. Okay, I will explain you end to end. Okay, so now I want as a default page, this should not come. I want as a default, this will come, guys. Okay, this page. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, just I will check, this is the index, guys. Okay, HTML, just I will copy, just just I will copy this index page, then I will paste into the our index.html, like here. Okay, so basically this is home, right? So just I will copy this one, all the code inside the index, just I will put inside the home.html here. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now let's see, home page has changed here now. If come and reload, can you see? Once you visit into the our portal here, let's make as into private windows here. Can you see here? Now this is become our home page. Did you understand, guys? Till now did you understand what I'm telling you? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you don't have any problem now. Okay, now I will here list our all the name, guys. Okay, all the menu name. So in our case, what are the menu name here, guys? In our scenario, what are the menu name? Menu name dashboard. Then there is a country. Okay, there is a state, like our table name, guys. Okay, state, country. Then just copy this line, it paste it here. Already I have explained the HTML, guys, in detail, guys. Okay, so I am not going to explain you again here. Okay, state, country, sorry, country, state. Then what was the, guys, name for, like, gender?
Gender.
Okay, then next was maybe qualifications. Then was, I think so, mm, education,
University.
right? Okay, universities. Then was, okay, then next was a student, right? Okay, so if you come into the our HTML page here, can you reload? Can you see here? Don't worry about this icon. Let's put as the same icon here for users icon. Okay. Yeah. So this icon we will see what is the best icon for that. Flag means flag will come. Okay. So this all the icon we don't have to worry about right now. That's okay. Okay. So now I don't want right on this one, guys. This tools option, just I want to comment it here. Okay. Comment means, guys, I will not comment, just I will remove this one. Okay. I don't want these things here. Means this block. Okay. Now can you see here dashboard, if country, state, city, gender, qualification, university, something. Yeah, student one, two, three, four, five, six. I think something missing. There was seven model, right? Which one is missing, guys? State, qualification, gender, university, student. Only six, right? One, two, three, four, five. Okay, so six. Now, what I wanted, guys. Now, what is my requirement here? This I want to change this header, guys. Okay, here header. Okay, this is, let's assume I want total number of count of country table, state table. Okay. And I want here header for, maybe I want gender table, qualification table. Okay, so just I will add the count it here, guys. Okay, come into our this section. Which section we have to add it, guys? Here. Okay, just add it country, country, state, then just add here like universities, then you will go for a student. Just I want only few, guys. Okay, four only. So okay, here country, total number of country will come here. The total number of state we can see in our table. So how many state is there? Total number of university we can see how many universities there in our database. A student we can see here. Okay, then if you want this data right now, I don't want here this one, so we can just comment it here also, no problem. Else just we can leave it here. Okay. So better I will, what I will do here, I will just add it here, guys. Okay, this one. Let's add this line. So university is done, the student is done. The next was total number of gender also there, right? Gender, then qualification. What was that models name, guys? Qualification one's name? Yeah, qualification, right? Yeah. Next was the our qualifications here. Then gender, qualification, universities is done. Okay. So can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. There the student is repeating, so I just I would remove the student, extra student from here, guys. Okay. So okay, let's remove this one, guys. Student here. Okay. Understand, guys? This is dashboard overview. Okay. Now I don't want here this data here. Okay. So just we can remove here. If you want, we can see total number of. Okay, just remove right now here, guys. Okay. Right now I don't want this table things here. Okay. So just I will, what I will do here. Right now I will just comment it here. If I need, then I will uncomment. Okay. What happened, guys? Okay, let's see. Maybe this is the way to comment it here, guys. Okay, this is the way to comment in HTML. How to make the comment, guys? You should know, right? This is the way. Did you understand, guys? No. See what I have done here, guys. I have just used one of the template. Already we have the code. Okay. So HTML you guys can go through and understand this one. Then you have designed this dashboard. This dashboard here. Once we visit here, we can see here total number of data. How many records we have, guys. Okay. We can see this is like dummy count right now, guys. Okay. This count is not coming from our data. Just I will fix this one as static data, guys. Okay, see here, if you guys can see, 0 is a static, can you see here? Defaultly I fixed it, guys. Actually if you see in our database, actually if you guys can see in our database, there is some data. Let's see in the, for examples we can see into the country table, guys. Okay, in the country table we have two data. Okay, but here the country is coming 0. So don't worry about this count. This count is the like just a static count. Okay, it's not dynamic. Hope you know about what is the meaning of a static is dynamic, guys. Okay, dynamic means data will change. A static means it's fixed content. Okay, so this should be the dynamic. This should be the dynamic, guys. Okay, this count should be come from the database. If any record we are adding means this count should be increased. If you are deleting means this count should be decreased, guys. Okay, this is called dynamic and static. behavior guys. Okay, now next, here also we don't need the user profile guys here. Okay, we don't need a user profile settings logout option right now, because we don't know how to log in, how to log out right now. That we will see into the later session guys. Okay, so that's why, for example, just I will comment that things guys also. Okay, so I don't want this option. Okay, right now, so I will just comment it here. Okay, means how to make comment guys. Comment we have to make this way, right? Then we have to add here one things, this line, then other things we have to edit here. The no see, can you see here, company name, basic to top, then menu. Now if I want here click on country, then country page should be open guys here. Okay, now let's see here. So add the link here for country guys. Okay, add the link here. Already you know how to add the link, right? URLs, then COUNTRY country. Okay, come here country, it will open the country. But can you see guys here, now design is changing guys. Okay, but I want this country should be open in this design only, this box only. It should not go into the other page. So these things also we have to check guys. Okay, these things also we have to check. The state, then gender. Can you hear me guys? Confirm anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Because I am seeing someone log in, log out. What is happening?
Sir, screen freeze.
Oh, you can't see my screen?
Sir, I can see, but screen is freeze.
Okay. What about other member? Just confirm.
Now, okay, sir.
All okay, sir.
Okay. Universities. Then here will come call universities. University. This is our URLs. We are linking as a student. Okay. Now just come and reload it here. Okay. If you click on a student, sorry, country means country is opening. Okay. If you click on the state, state is opening. If you click on qualification, qualification forms is opening. But guys, what I wanted now, I don't want this one to be open in different page. See, can you see the design? So this design should be same for all the page. Okay, understand guys? Did you understand? So how you will going to do this one? So for this one, I will stop session here today. You guys have to do understand. Already I have explained you template inheritance concept. That concept you have to use here, guys. Okay, understand? So just you can understand how you can reuse this side navbar, top navbar for all the page. Did you understand, guys? So these things you guys have to do and come up with a solution. You have to practice, guys. Okay. So till now, and also you guys have to enable this count at least. How you can come this count from the database. Okay. So these things you guys try and let me know. Okay. So we will meet in the next session, guys. Okay. So thank you so much. Still there the work is pending. I will still working in the front end side. At least one day it will take. Uh, 1 or 2 days. So okay, guys. So we'll meet into the next sessions until you can do these things, guys. Okay.